Okay, yes, welcome back to mathematics class. So now we have to discuss the fifth question of exercise 10.2. So for this, I'll explain that concept on the board. Okay, so I'll read the question, listen carefully. The altitude of a right triangle is, the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Very important statement. Okay, altitude, you all know altitude means 90-degree line, perpendicular line, height of the triangle, right? Now altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Base ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? We don't know actually. Okay. So then, if the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, then find the other two sides. It is clearly given that hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. It is clear. Hypotenuse is 13. But another one condition, this altitude is 7 centimeter less. Okay. 7 centimeter less than its base. We don't know base actually. Now what we have to do? We have to take the base measurement as x. We have to take the base measurement as x. Then this altitude is 7 centimeter less than its base. Base ಗಿಂತ 7 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. So we are taking base as x, then altitude is x minus 7. Got the idea of this problem, students? So we are taking the unknown base as x, then according to statement, this altitude is 7 centimeter less than its base. Then we have to find out the base measurement. Now which concept we have to apply here? It is very clear, right? Rectangle, triangle in the sense what? Yes, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now we have to apply Pythagoras theorem in the triangle ABC. According to Pythagoras theorem, the square on the hypotenuse, which is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Then AC square, which is equal to AB square plus BC square. Correct, no? AC is the name of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Got the idea of this one? Okay, now AC square is 13 square, which is equal to AB is x minus 7 whole square plus BC is x square. Okay? Yes. Now, what is 13 square means? 13 square is 13 square. Huh? 160. 169, which is equal to x minus 7 whole square. X minus 7 whole square. X minus 7 whole square. We have to apply a minus b whole square, no? Yes. What is the expansion of a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab. 2 into x into 7, that is 14x plus 7 square. 7 square. Yes? 49. Then plus x square. See here, a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Got the idea of this one? 169 is equal to x square minus 14x plus 49, which is plus x square. Then 169, which is equal to x square plus x square is 2x square. Then minus 14x plus 49. Take this 49 to this side. Then 169 minus 49, which is equal to 2x square minus 14x. 169 minus 49, what is the answer? 120. Right? 120, which is equal to 2x square minus 14x. Okay. So then can we take this one only that side? So then it is 2x square minus 14x. Then take this 120 to that side minus 120. This side is equal to 0. Is it a quadratic equation? Did you got the same quadratic equation, students? 2x square minus 14x minus 120, which is equal to 0. Now you can continue the problem now. Yes, now you can continue the problem. You can make the equation simple by dividing 2 also. Okay, 2 2 is a common factor. Okay, or you can continue with this equation only. That is your choice. Okay, yes. So is it clear now? Next, I'll not continue. That is your work. You can continue next by splitting the middle term method. You can get the answer, that x value. Is that clear? Got the idea of this concept? Now, this is the most repeating question in the question paper. Is that clear? Okay, now again I'll move back to the page, sharing page. Okay, see here, the altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Okay, hypotenuse is 13. See here, base we are considering x, then here altitude is x minus 7. Pythagoras theorem. We have completed this one now. Yes. Now 2x square minus 14x minus 120. 2x square minus 14x minus 120, which is equal to 0. Then you just continue the problem by applying splitting the middle term method. Okay, 2x square into minus 120 is minus 240x square. Then you have to split minus 14x. So that is 24 into 10. 24 tens are 240. So minus 24x plus 10x. Minus 24x plus 10x we are taking here. So that is equal to minus 14x. Then the product is minus 240x square. So here 2x is common, then x minus 12 plus 10 is common, x minus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 12 or x is equal to minus 5. Okay. So x is equal to 12 or x is equal to minus 5. Now, which value we have to take? We have to take the base value as 12. We have to take base value as 12. If x is equal to 12 here, what is the value of altitude? 12 minus 7. What is the value of the altitude? 12 minus 7 is 5. Got the idea? So we have to consider this positive value only. X is equal to 12. Unknown number x is 12. If unknown number x is 12, then what is the value of altitude? Altitude is x minus 7. That is 12 minus 7 is 5. Got the idea of this one? Okay. So the base value is 12 centimeter and the altitude value is 5 centimeter. Is that clear? Yes. Now the last question. So this is again cottage problem. Example 2. First main. Okay. First example. Second statement. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. Okay, so produces certain number of pottery articles in a day. So we have to take that one as x. Let the number of pottery articles produced on a particular day which be x. Okay, it was observed on a particular day that ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು particular ದಿನ the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles. Okay, the cost of ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 more than ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 plus twice the number of article. 2 times of the number of articles is x. Okay, 3 plus 2x. If the total cost of production on that day was 90, total cost of production on that day 90. Okay, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. So now we have to take first one as x, that is fixed actually. Let the number of pottery articles produced in a particular day be x. Okay, so number esto ಒಂದು 10 ತಯಾರಿಸ್ತಾರೋ 11 ತಯಾರಿಸ್ತಾರೋ 12 ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then cost of production of each article on a day, one particular day. Cost of production of each article. Okay, so 3 more than the twice of number of articles. So 3 more than andre plus 3, twice of number of articles, that is 2 into x. 2x plus 3. So cost of production of each article on one day which is equal to 2x plus 3. So then, so total cost is 90 rupees. Then x into 2x plus 3 which is equal to 90. So total number of articles produced on a particular day into cost of one article which is equal to 90. Okay, so then x into 2x is 2x square plus x into 3 is 3x which is equal to 90. Then 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. Then first and last term production. This is a quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation. Now we have to apply the splitting the middle term factorization, and we have to find out the value. So 2x square. So then 15 minus 12 is 3x. Then 15 into 12 is minus 180. Plus 15 into minus 12 is minus 180. So then here x is common. 2x plus 15 inside, then minus 6 is common, 2x plus 15 which is equal to 0. So the factors are 2x plus 15 and 2x x minus 6 which is equal to 0. When we equate these two to 0, then x is equal to plus 6 or x is equal to minus 15 by 2. X is equal to plus 6 or x is equal to minus 15 by 2. Now we have to choose which one we have to choose actually. Which one we have to choose? X is equal to 6. Let the number of pottery articles produced in a day be 6. Is that clear? Do you have any confusion regarding this topic? Yes, got the idea of splitting the middle term factorization now? So, you all know splitting the middle term factorization. But you are facing the problem in converting the statement into quadratic equation. Okay, so you just convert that properly. Then whatever you get the quadratic equation, now then you can continue. By applying the splitting the middle term factorization, you can find out the roots. Is that clear? Do you have any confusion regarding this topic? Yes. You want to discuss anything about the second exercise? Okay. Up to second exercise, you can finish your notes part now. So we have to send the notes now. Yes, I'll send today. Okay. I'll send the notes part today. You can write it in your fair notebook. Definition and all you need, no? Quadratic equation definition. Okay. Example problems, then exercise. Up to 2 exercise you finish today. So then today's homework is start with the pending assignment work. Okay, if you finished up to third assignment, then you have to start with the fourth assignment. Or other words, you have to start with the pending assignments only. I don't know. Okay, so how many of you finished up to third? Okay, so how many you started fourth one? I don't know actually. So, but you have to start the pending assignments work today. So that's why I'm not giving any other homeworks, extra homeworks. Whatever pending works you have in my subject, that you have to finish today and tomorrow. Monday, I'll ask that answer sheets in the class only. In class only, you have to send the solutions. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನು copy ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay? Yes, do you have any other doubts? So then we'll close the recording portion now.